Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all will be fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to another lecture that is related to written work of Unit 7. We are done with question answers. This was activity A on page 32, and after writing those question answers we will be doing true and false, that is activity B on page 32. So as you can see, you have to prepare your page like this as I have done. You will have to write date, the classwork, and the subject is English. Then the topic is TOPIC topic, and it's activities exercise B on page 32. Activities 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 exercise B on page 32. What is our question of activity B? And that is true or false. Well, this is the easiest one. We have 9 true false, okay, and we will be writing it. So first our question is true, 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 this is the sign of true, or false, 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 this is a sign of false. So the sentence which is true we will be taking this sign, and a sentence which is false we will be taking this sign, okay. After writing question, well, you have to underline all these. The first sentence is Huskies go on buses. Huskies go on buses. First you have to remember what is the job of a husky dog. Husky dog, they work in cold and snowy areas, and they use a sled to perform their duties. So do you think this sentence is correct? No, this is wrong. They do not go on buses, okay. This one is wrong. So huskies that don't go on buses, they use a sled, okay. Huskies go on buses. This one is false. The next one is Collies go out on cliffs. Collies go out on cliffs. Well, कोलीज कौन सी डॉग्स हैं? Yes, they are sheep dogs. So sheep dogs or collies, they go out on cliffs. Yes, they go out on cliffs. That is their job, in order to collect what? Yes, in order to collect sheep. Okay, collies go out on cliffs. This one is correct. The third one is guide dogs go to school. Guide dogs go to school. By the way, what is the work of guide dog? Yes, a guide dog helps whom? Helps blind people. So for this purpose they have to be well trained, and for training they go where? They go to dog school. So this one is also correct. Okay, dear students, guide dogs, they go to school, and this one is correct. The third one is guide dogs go to school. This sentence is true. Fourth one is some dogs do not work. Some dogs do not work. कुछ dogs जो है वो काम नहीं करते. Yes, this one is also true. Not all dogs, they perform duties. We read it in the first paragraph. So those dogs who do not play, who do not have job, they do not work, what they do? Yes, they play and they chase and they play with they have fun and they play with balls, okay. So some dogs do not work. This sentence is also true. Okay, fifth one is sheep dogs climb a lot. यानी कि जो sheep dogs है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चढ़ते हैं, okay, किस चीज़ पे? On cliffs, on mountains. Sheep dogs climb a lot. So yes, this is their job. They have to climb a lot, okay. अगर कोई sheep cliff पे चढ़ गई है, अपना रास्ता भूल गई है, सो उनको बचाने के लिए, उनको गैदर करने के लिए sheep dogs को बहुत ज़्यादा क्लाइंबिंग करनी पड़ती है, और ये ऐसे एरियाज़ में होते हैं जहाँ माउंटेन्स और क्लिफ्स बहुत ज़्यादा हो. सो ऑब्वियसली वहाँ क्लाइंबिंग की बहुत ज़रूरत है. शीप डॉग्स क्लाइंब अ लॉट. The fifth one is true. The sixth one is sheep dogs work in teams. Sheep dogs work in teams. sheep dogs जो हैं वो टीम्स में काम करते हैं, मतलब कि एक sheep dog अकेला नहीं कर सकता, बहुत सारे डॉग्स को इकट्ठे होके ये काम करना होता है ग्रुप्स में. सो डू यू थिंक दिस सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट? नो, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. शीप डॉग जो है वो अकेले अपना काम कर सकता है. ओके, उसके लिए टीम की ज़रूरत नहीं है. फार्मर होता है और उसके साथ उसका डॉग एंड दे प्रोटेक्ट एंड गैदर द शीप. बाय द वे डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वो कौन से डॉग्स हैं जो टीम में काम करते हैं? यस, वेल डन, दे आर ट्रेवल और हस्की डॉग्स. ओके, इनको टीम में काम करने की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है? बिकॉज ये स्लेड यूज़ करते हैं और स्लेड जो है या बर्फ़ गाड़ी, वो अकेला एक हस्की डॉग उसको नहीं खींच सकता. वेल, द सेवंथ सेंटेंस इज हस्कीज कैन ट्रेवल फार. हस्की डॉग्स जो हैं वो बहुत दूर तक सफ़र कर सकते हैं. हस्कीज कैन ट्रेवल फार. Yes, they have to travel far for bringing parcels, groceries and people. So इनको बहुत ज़्यादा travel भी करना पड़ता है. So huskies can travel far. This sentence is true. Huskies can travel far. The sentence is true. The eighth one is dogs are not good pets. Dogs आर नॉट गुड पेट्स, कि डॉग्स जो है वो अच्छे पालतू जानवर नहीं हैं. देन ऑब्वियसली दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग बिकॉज डॉग्स आर दे आर वेरी गुड पेट्स. ओके, दे आर वेरी लवली पेट्स. लोग इनको पालते हैं घरों में, उनके साथ खेलते हैं और मज़े करते हैं. सो डॉग्स आर नॉट गुड पेट्स. दिस सेंटेंस इज रॉन्ग. द लास्ट वन इज, दैट इज द नाइन्थ वन, इट इज़ Huskies work in cold weather. Huskies work in cold weather. Huskies ये सर्द मौसम में काम करते हैं. So yes, Huskies जो हैं they work in cold and snowy areas. So obviously the weather is cold. This sentence is true. Huskies work in cold weather. This sentence is true. Okay dear students, so this is the end of activity B on page 32 and the question was true or false. We are done with our 9 true false. Okay students, this is your homework for today. That is you have to learn activity A. In activity A, question number 1 and 2 on page 32 of unit 7. This is question 1 is where what dog is quiet and gentle, and question 2 is what dog is strong and sensible. So you have to learn activity A. In activity A, question number 1 and 2, that is on page 32 of unit 7. Okay dear students, I'll repeat the homework for you. You have to learn activity A, question number 1 plus 2 on page 32 of unit 7.